ആസ്ട്രോടോക്ക് ആപ്പിൽ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്
ജസ്റ്റ് എന്ത് കാര്യം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഫ്യൂച്ചറിൽ അത് എന്ത് വിഷയത്തിനെ പറ്റിയോ
तभी तो इनकी
I have
प्रेडिक्शन
everything
भी सही है
तो
So download
just like the Baba Pratik.
सीक्रेट की
मेरी
बात
तरह
She is my
3
favorite
करोड़ से
astrologer
ज्यादा
and
लोग
astrologer.
ट्रस्ट
ഇപ്പോൾ
करते
വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്
हैं
astrology.
$50 lakhs per hour. That is the turnover of the machine you trust with your darkest secrets with. We see them everywhere in our feeds. Aparna Balamurali, Anu Sri, Amala Paul, Mamta Mohandas, even Bollywood stars like Ranbir Kapoor, Shraddha Kapoor. They are endorsing what is arguably the biggest fraud in India today, AstroTalk. But here is the record. AstroTalk was founded in 2017 by Puneet Gupta, a middle-class man who built his billion-dollar company not from a background in astrology, but out of the frustration after his wealthy girlfriend left him. He realized the fastest and quickest way to grow in India was to capitalize on people's beliefs and hopes, something that sells off easily regardless of science. Today, we don't just stop, we dismantle the business model of an app that has turned human anxiety into a billion-dollar addiction. This is the unmasking of the biggest digital trap in the Indian market today.
And before going into this, let me remind you something. 90% of the people watching our channel is still non-subscribers. So kindly please hit that subscribe button and join our family. Now come, let's go back to the thing we are discussing.
They spent 1 crore rupees daily on advertising just to keep those celebrity ads in our feeds. They boast government certifications and 50 lakh customers. But look at the fine print. Wait a moment, I will show the disclaimer for you. The disclaimer here of them shows that the information and data contained on AstroTalk website is to be treated purely for your entertainment purposes only. Just a moment. Yeah, I will show you in a bold screen. It is purely for entertainment purposes only. Look at the advertisements flooding our feeds. Amala Paul tells you the money is coming. Aparna Balamurali claims she overcame struggles because of an app, and Mamta Mohandas demonstrate a reading. And there are others too. These are not just endorsement. These are calculated strategies to manufacture trust. The app's own legal fine print explicitly says for entertainment purposes only, a billion-dollar tech venture certified by the government, hiding behind an so-called entertainment shield to evade responsibility for the privacy of your data or the accuracy of their predictions. When these celebrities manage their own wealth, they use professional financial advisors, not a chat box on a phone.
And we are not alone in raising these concerns. S. Abhijit, a content creator well known for exposing scams and questionable online practices, recently shared his views on AstroTalk. Here's what he had to say.
ആസ്ട്രോളജി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ജ്യോതിഷം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് തന്നെ ഒരു ഉടായിപ്പാണ് എന്നത് ഒന്നാമത്തെ കാര്യം. അപ്പോഴാണ് അതിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ ഒരു ആപ്പ് ഉണ്ടാക്കി ആസ്ട്രോളജേഴ്സിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് ചാറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
They are selling you a fantasy to keep their own pockets full while they disclaim any credibility for the astrologers they host. How do they hook you? The first chat free offer. It is a digital trap. You type in your birth details and an AI like Srikuti or someone keeps you talking. The chat is designed to make you feel understood, to make you open up about your job, about your fears, your depression. As soon as the free time hits zero, you are billed 29 to 39 rupees per minute. If you stop halfway, your balance is gone. And you don't get a refund. You just get a notification to top up, but it gets worse. When we investigated, they stimulated a caller in mental distress, crying vulnerable at almost 3 a.m. in the morning. The astrologer didn't guide us to the professional help. Instead, they recognized the distress and kept waiting for the line on 40 near to 40 minutes. Providing counseling to a depressed person without a license is also illegal. Yet, their terms and conditions explicitly state they are not responsible for the credibility of these astrologers or the advice they give. Just imagine how fraud they are. They aren't predicting problems, they are manufacturing them to keep you on the line. Please understand that. Why do you believe them? Because they use the same psychological tools as a street magician. They use cold reading, giving generic positive statements that apply to everyone, like your fate will turn or take a turn for the better when you turn 30. This is the Bandram effect. They tell you have so much capacity, capability you have not tapped into yet. It makes you feel unique, but it's a lie they tell thousands of people every hour. We looked at the record. When users ask the same birth date to different astrologers, they get conflicting reports. When asked about a father's health, they predicted stability even after the father has been dead for 16 years. Their response: departed soul energy is protecting you. This is not science. This is not culture. It is an addiction cycle designed to keep you praying until your money runs out. Whether it's predicting cricket results or your life, these so-called astrologers are just exploiting our human desire for certainty. Swami Vivekananda called the fear of an uncertain future a sign of a weak mind. Don't let your weakness be their profit. Stop looking for your future in an algorithm and stop letting influencers exploit your belief for a paycheck. We need to educate, not exploit. Share this, expose the truth, and stop this fraud industry.